Hi, I'm Marianne Binetti. Today I have an easy tip on how to plant petunias in a pot. You don't even need a trowel. Look what I've done. I have plastic pots that are already pushed into the potting soil. So when I remove the plastic pot, this pot is the exact same size as the petunia grown in this black pot. So I simply remove the petunia by turning it upside down, massaging the pot, slides right out, rough up the roots a little bit, and it has the perfect size hole for this petunia. This pot, a little bit larger, same size as this potted petunia, but because it was pushed into the potting soil, it's made the perfect indentation without me even having to dig. Put it upside down, and there it is, right into the pot. And there we have it. Perfectly planted petunias in a pot. It's been Marianne Binetti with easy answers for great gardens.